Are you aware of the power that lies in your imagination? Unlocking the true power of manifestation lies in embracing imagination as the sole reality. By recognizing that every element in your physical world was once a creation of your imagination, you open the door to shaping your reality consciously. Keep watching and you'll find out how to unlock the full potential of imagination and use it to shape your life. The law of assumption forms the bedrock of manifestation, dictating that our beliefs and expectations shape the reality we experience. It's not just about thinking positively, it's about recognizing the active role our assumptions play in molding our world. This concept is profound in its simplicity. What we assume to be true influences the outcomes we attract. Your thoughts and beliefs are the seeds you plant. The law of assumption teaches us that these seeds, once planted, grow into the experiences and circumstances of our lives. Understanding this law means recognizing that our assumptions are not passive spectators, but active creators. When we hold certain assumptions about ourselves, others, or the world, they become like a magnetic force, drawing in situations that align with those assumptions. It's not simply about wishful thinking, it's about acknowledging the power of our thoughts to bring about tangible changes. By delving into the essence of this law, we gain the ability to steer our lives intentionally. We discover that it's not about fighting against circumstances, but about shaping them from within. This understanding is empowering because it places the reins of change firmly in our hands. Our assumptions and beliefs are not just mental exercises, they have a tangible impact on our experiences. If we believe ourselves capable, worthy, and deserving, those beliefs translate into confident actions and attract opportunities that resonate with our self-perception. Conversely, if we assume limitations or unworthiness, our actions and the situations we encounter mirror those negative expectations. Mastering the law of assumption involves a shift from being a passive recipient of life's events to an active participant in its creation. It's recognizing that our internal narratives have an external echo. Imagination is a potent force that fuels the law of assumption. It's not about creating elaborate fantasies, but recognizing the power of mental imagery in shaping our reality. Imagination is the bridge that connects our current circumstances to the desired outcomes we seek. When we talk about imagination in the context of the law of assumption, we mean the ability to form mental images of what we desire. It's not about wishful thinking, it's about creating a vivid mental picture of the life we want to live. Imagination becomes a tool, a creative force that helps us visualize the possibilities we wish to attract into our lives. Think of imagination as a movie playing in your mind. It's not about escaping reality, but about actively participating in the scripting of your story. By engaging your imagination, you're actively contributing to the blueprint that guides your experiences. Understanding and harnessing the power of imagination are essential for mastering the law of assumption. It's not a call to live in a constant daydream, but to recognize the impact of mental images on our beliefs and actions. By cultivating a clear and compelling mental picture of our desires, we enhance the effectiveness of our assumptions. Imagination acts as a catalyst for change because it serves as the precursor to belief. When we can see something in our minds, it becomes more believable, and belief is a crucial ingredient in the manifestation process. Imagination is not a whimsical concept, but a practical skill that can be cultivated. It involves taking the time to consciously visualize the life we want. It's about creating mental images that align with the assumptions we seek to manifest. By making this a consistent practice, we strengthen our ability to shape our reality intentionally. According to the teachings of Neville Goddard, our imagination is the only true reality. This concept challenges the conventional idea that what we see with our eyes is the only reality. Instead, it suggests that the images and thoughts we hold in our minds carry a deeper significance and have a more profound impact on our lives. Embracing the only true reality involves recognizing that our internal world, our thoughts, and our imagination hold a power that extends beyond mere daydreaming. It implies that the images we cultivate within our minds shape the course of our lives more significantly than external circumstances. This concept brings a shift in perspective, urging individuals to give greater importance to their thoughts and beliefs. It challenges the notion that the physical world is the ultimate determinant of reality, proposing instead that our mental world is the primary driver. By accepting this principle, individuals open themselves to a new way of understanding and interacting with their experiences. The only true reality principle suggests that our thoughts and imaginations are not secondary to what happens externally, but are, in fact, the architects of those external events. It emphasizes the active role our mental states play in shaping the circumstances we encounter. Embracing this concept involves acknowledging that our assumptions and beliefs are not passive reflections, but active contributors to the unfolding of our lives. This shift in mindset can lead to a profound transformation in how we approach challenges and opportunities. If our imagination holds the key to the only true reality, then cultivating positive and empowering thoughts becomes an essential practice. By embracing the only true reality, individuals gain a sense of agency over their lives. It's a recognition that, while external circumstances may present challenges, the true power lies in how we choose to interpret and respond to them. This understanding fosters resilience and a proactive approach to life's ups and downs. The practical application of the law of assumption involves incorporating its principles into our daily lives. It's not about complex rituals or esoteric practices. It's about adopting a mindset that aligns with our desires. Setting clear intentions is a fundamental aspect of applying the law of assumption. It's about defining what we want with clarity and precision. By doing so, we provide a clear direction for our thoughts and beliefs to follow. Setting intentions helps create a mental roadmap that guides our assumptions towards the outcomes we seek. Visualization is another practical tool in the arsenal of the law of assumption. It involves creating mental images of our desired outcomes. Visualization is not about wishful thinking, but about reinforcing our assumptions through the power of imagination. It enhances our ability to hold onto a clear and vivid picture of the life we want to manifest. Aligning beliefs with aspirations is a crucial step in mastering the law of assumption. It's about ensuring that our thoughts and convictions are in harmony with the assumptions we are cultivating. When there is congruence between what we believe and what we want to manifest, the law of assumption becomes more potent. Consistency is key in the practical application of these principles. It's not a one-time effort, but an ongoing practice. By consistently setting intentions, engaging in visualization, and aligning beliefs with aspirations, we create a steady and powerful stream of assumptions that shape our reality over time. Practical application is not about creating an alternate reality, but about consciously influencing our current reality. As we consistently apply these principles, we gradually shift our mindset and assumptions, paving the way for a transformative journey. If this video resonated with you, please consider sharing it with someone you think would appreciate it. Feel free to leave your thoughts or experiences in the comments below. Until next time.